The Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE continues to implement the Tulong Panghanap Buhay sa ating disadvantaged or displaced workers or widely known as TUPAD. It is an official emergency employment program established during Typhoon Ondoy to provide immediate relief to individuals affected by disasters. Rather than just making an announcement, the department actively deployed and profiled approximately 13,000 beneficiaries for various interagency convergence initiatives. This includes cleaning schools with DepEd for Brigada Eskwela, packing relief goods with DSWD, and planting trees with DENR. Under the program, salaries are based on the prevailing minimum wage for 10 to 90 workdays. Members are also required to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as boots and hand gloves for their safety and security. For Rainiel Bernardino, who has been a TUPAD member for over a year, the program provides critical support amidst low tricycle earnings.
Malaking tulong naman po kasi kahit papaano yung sinahod naman po sa TUPAD. Naitulong naman sa pamilya. Pangaral po ng mga anak, pambaot po.
To guide aspiring applicants, DOLE Bureau of Workers with Special Concerns Director 4, Leilani Reynoso, explained the authorized offices to approach.
Sa mga munisipyo po namin, municipality level, kadalasan po, meron po kami mga public employment service office, mga PESO managers o PESO officers po doon. Pwede po doon lumalapit kadalasan yung mga nais maging TUPAD beneficiaries.
Director Reynoso also clarified that the program charges no fees and implements no salary deductions.
Wala pong binabayaran. Wala pong binabayaran para maging miyembro ka o maging TUPAD beneficiary ka. Ang nangyari po, pinoprofile ka para maging TUPAD beneficiary ka at pag nagtrabaho ka po doon sa corresponding na araw na nakalista sa kontrata mo, ikaw ang nakakatanggap ng sahod. Ganun po yun. Tapos wala rin pong pagbabawas sa sahod.
She also emphasized that TUPAD is an official cash for work program and not free government financial aid. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.